In primetime news this evening, party time. JLP supporters revel in the party's historic third term.
Prime Minister paints early vision for the next term after Wednesday's win.
And PNP in a reflection mood after yet another general election loss. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, and a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I am Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, well, we're still talking about the general election in the business day today, and we'll hear what the PSOJ, that's the private sector organization of Jamaica, has to say about the results. That and more in the business day.
And I'm wondering...
Hold on. This person you're about to call in was a reporter, a news reporter for the day.
Well, I was wondering whether there was any election-related news in sports today.
Well,
Maybe.
Well, speaking of winning, Jamaica's reggae boys, they'll be hoping to do just that when they begin the final round of World Cup qualifying against Bermuda tomorrow. We'll tell you more a bit later on.
and his prediction held firm.
There was rain.
There was rain yesterday, and I'm wondering what is going to happen in the week. Romain?
Well, Jenna, there is more rain in the forecast. We do have shower and thunderstorm activity expected across most of the area tomorrow. That trough is still in the area, and we expect it to linger into the weekend.
I have a phrase for that, but I'm not going to say it. There's also more in the weather report and forecast later on. There's sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, Archie, we are asking, what are your thoughts on the outcome of the general election?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica. And you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
So please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.